Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video, and in this video I'll be showing you the ways to cancel Terabox app subscriptions and get a refund. In order to cancel a subscription, you have to follow the steps. Now you could do this from the application itself, or you could actually use a Play Store if you're on an Android device. Now I'm using an Android, so I'm going to go ahead and open up my Play Store. And when I open it up, then on the search box, then in the right hand side corner I can see my profile. Press that. Next thing you want to do is go to payment and subscription. When you go to subscription, you could find all the subscription that is associated with this particular account. So here you could also go ahead and find the application for which you want to delete it. Click the cancel button and you have to go ahead and give a valid reason, all of that sort, and you should have successfully canceled your subscription. Likewise, you could also do it from the app itself. The procedure will remain very similar. You just have to go to the gear icon and find out the subscriptions that are planned, and you could follow the steps. Now, for a refund part, you may need to contact Terabox customer support directly, depending on your purchase date and reason for cancellation as well. Now, depending on the purchase date and the reason for cancellation, you might be eligible for a refund, but you usually need to contact Terabox customer support to request one. You could also review your purchase history within the App Store to confirm the subscription details and cancellation process as well. With this, you've completed the steps. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.